Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! I'm still looking for a family. Okay, please just say bye now. I gotta go find Jesus. I need somewhere to go eat food. I'm hungry. I'm a fucking pig. Damn you, Plymouth Rock, I'm going to blow you up with this nuclear device. Run away. What? Oh my god, a nuclear bomb. Good thing I got rid of it. What the hell did you do? I was going to blow up Plymouth Rock. Why are you blowing up Plymouth Rock? I'm with the FBI. No. Freeze. Down on the ground. On the ground. You mutated lobster ladder. I am not a mutated lobster ladder. I was turned into a ladder by a dip. Ow. Ow. The rock. The rock. You're resisting arrest. I was knocked out a few seconds ago and you slammed my face into the rock. Feels like I treat all the other bastards. Going to jail on Thanksgiving. Ha ha. I'm safe now. Okay, let's say grace. Wait. Pablo coming with his cousin. Who? That thing. Oh man. What's up? Didn't I give them gas to kill y'all? That I never got paid for, you stupid little green bitch falling the ground. You people screwing up the entire Thanksgiving. God damn. Help! Help! Trash can eat my face! Help! Hey! Where am I going? Where am I going? Hey! Get off me! Eat my dick. Hey. My hamburger. My hamburger. Thank you, green thing. Hamburger. Dirty Blue. What? Stop. That's my dad. Your dad's a hamburger? Not just any hamburger. A morphine seahorse hamburger. I'm still eating it. God, cause I'll send you to hell. Cause I'm God. Da-da, da-da-da-da. I'm morphine. Look, don't look. I'm morphine. Please don't look. Don't look, Jesus. I'm morphed. Look at me. I'm gonna die. Thou, bloods. Dad, that was mean. Why can't you just ever come over and be peaceful? Why do you always have to hurt people? I'm God. I can do it. I won't. Yeah. Look at that little boo. I still want to eat you. Go to hell. Now, hell. You want some guts? Do-do-do. Bye. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Get him! Oh, what kind of a Thanksgiving this has turned out to be. Where the hell is Ladder? Bling, bling! Hold on, I'll get it. Jesus, you've got to help!